We've placed instructions on the side of the bag. For your garden flower beds and containers, spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of garden straw. Keep it an inch away from the crowns and stems. Garden straw works best when placed on soil that is already weeded. When used with new lawn seeding, garden straw reduces grass seed loss. The grass seeds stay in place better, which helps them germinate. Garden straw minimizes weed seed growth. Spread a 1/2 to an inch layer of garden straw over newly seeded lawns and water thoroughly. Once grass is fully established, mow normally. There is no need to remove garden straw as it decomposes and adds value to the soil. In your compost, garden straw can be added as a carbon material to your compost bin or pile. A simple rule of thumb is to use 1/3 nitrogen and 2/3 carbon. Lay down garden straw first to aid drainage and to help aerate bin or pile. Continue to add garden straw as waste is added. Add a 2 to 3 inch layer of garden straw to the bottom of the indoor compost pail to limit odors.